So I woke up at 3:30 today with something that's been on my mind, and I was a little worried. I was thinking about this thing going on, and my fear, my concern was that my decision that I'm making on this could upset other people, could disappoint other people. And I've been getting more clear on my decision. And at one point, it was a little cold in my room, so I wanted to meditate on my decision. So I decided to lay down in my bed because it was cold. And as I'm there trying to meditate, closed my eyes, started to breathe slowly, put my hands on my heart, trying to see what the best decision would be. And within a few minutes, I realized I was actually meditating just to see how to justify my decision. I've already made my decision. I know what my decision is, but my fear is that it could disappoint other people. So I wasn't meditating to get the answer. I was meditating to see how to justify the answer. So I invite you to consider the possibility that you already know what you want. You're just afraid of other people's responses and reactions. But I believe that when we follow that guidance inside, that sometimes it doesn't make any sense, because in this situation for me, it doesn't make sense. My decision doesn't make sense. But it's very clear for me that some inner guidance is telling me to make this decision. So when you follow that inside, whatever people's reactions are to your decision might be the exact experience they need to go through, and you trusting your guidance and being very clear about your decision might be the exact experience that you need. So it's a win-win for everybody. Might not look that way at first, but eventually you'll see it that way.